Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today I'm going to talk about Finishing Touch Flawless Hair Removal, facial hair removal, little tools. They come in pink and rose gold and purple and rose gold. I bought one of each. I'm going to keep one. I'm going to give one away. And I bought these at a local drugstore here in my community, but I'll add a link below in the description if you're interested in checking them out. We're going to do a quick unboxing and then I'm going to show you if this thing actually works. Let's have a look at the details on the box. So it has a gold-plated shaver head. It's perfect for all facial hair, gentle on all skin types. On the back, it talks about the built-in light, it removes hair instantly and pain-free. It's hypoallergenic, and it says hair will not grow back thicker, guaranteed. That's a good guarantee. As we pull it out of the box, let's have a look at what we'll find. Oh, okay, so it comes with a battery and it comes with a little cleaning brush. So let's pull it out of here. Okay, so it's got like a little shaver head. It's kind of like the men's, the men's shavers that have like 3 heads. It kind of looks the same. Nice battery comes with it. How do we put this battery in? Let's see. Oh, the shaver head comes off on the top for easy cleaning. And then let's take this bottom part off. Oh, that's the light thing. I guess that's what turns it on. How does this thing open? All right, there we go. Okay, you just pull it open like that. It takes 1 AA battery. Pop that in. Put the bottom back on there. Turns on the light. Great. And it turns the shaver on at the same time. Let's give this thing a try. All right, so a couple of years ago, I did go for laser hair removal, and I'm not sure if it worked. I mean, I have a few hairs that still grow, and most of them are blonde, but some of them are black, and they're just annoying. So, I don't know, who knows? Maybe I would have grown a full beard if I didn't go for that laser treatment. But anyways, I still have a few pesky little hairs that grow, and I thought this might do the trick. So we're gonna give this a try right now. I'm gonna turn on that little light. Oh, it comes on with it, so the little light. And I'm gonna find some of these little hairs. Doesn't hurt at all. Okay, there's a black hair right here that I'm working on. Oh yeah, definitely took it off. Well, it's definitely easier than using tweezers. And I actually really like the result. I think it's a good little product. Hey, thanks for watching my review on the Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover. Overall, I'm actually very impressed with this product. Looks just a little bigger than a lipstick, maybe like a mascara bottle. It feels nice with that battery inside. It's not like a light piece of junk. It's actually way better quality than I imagined. So there it is again. You can hear it buzzing away. Little light there so you can see what you're doing. I'll add a link below, like I said earlier, in the description. You can check that out and order online if you like, or check out your local drugstore. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life. I hope you enjoyed my video. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I have some great ones coming up. Check out my other channel, also Tinagirl Travels. I'll add a link to that as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.